Hello friends, welcome to Something of Everything. In this short video we will show you how to trim a beam in ETABS. And as you can see, this beam has been extended in the last video. If you have not seen those videos, you can go to our playlist of ETABS. We want to trim it back to this beam, up to this beam. So you have to select the beam which you want to trim, you have to select the end which you want to trim, and a beam up to which the beam needs to be trimmed. And you have to go to edit, align, and click on trim frame objects and press apply. The beam will be shortened to the beam up to which you wanted it to be. This way you can trim the beams up to the desired length. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the same. Thank you.